Hey guys, welcome back to Asvi Creative. This is Ashwati. In this video, I'll be showing you all how I use apple cider vinegar for my hair as well as for my skin. So this is the brand which I use. This is from Health Wait. You can use any brand which has got mother vinegar because that is raw form of vinegar. In that way, it is much more useful and beneficial. Now, let's see how we can use it. First, make it a point that you dilute apple cider vinegar before using it. So here I am taking a spray bottle, and in that I'll be filling in quarter of this bottle with apple cider vinegar, and rest of it I'll be filling it with water and giving it a good mix. And then I'm gonna use this for my hair as well as for my skin. So for my hair, what I'm gonna do is I'll be directly applying it to my scalp. So all we need to do is just part your hair in small sections. Make sure that you apply it to your scalp and then give your head a good massage. So what it does is, since it is antibacterial, so it helps to remove any kind of fungal infection, and also it helps to remove dandruff or any kind of those infections. So in that way it helps to actually reduce hair fall. So it is very good, and also it's very easy as well. Unlike any other hair mask or any other oil, it's not a messy process. All we need to do is just mix a little bit of water and apple cider vinegar and just directly apply to your scalp and just give a good massage. And also you can apply it to your hair as well, because it helps to balance this pH balance. In that way it helps to make our hair soft. And what I'm going to do is just apply it to my hair as well as to my scalp and put it in a bun and leave it on for good 15 to 20 minutes, and then I wash it off with mild shampoo and conditioner. If you want, you just wash it off with plain water, still it works. Another way you can use it, just to mix apple cider vinegar in a large cup of water and then rinse off your hair at the end of the shower. Okay, in that way also it works, but then it has got that strong smell, which is something I do not like. So I do not prefer using apple cider vinegar in that way. But then if you do not mind the fragrance of it, it would be a great idea to do it as well. In that way your hair looks much more softer and healthier. And now you can use it as a toner as well, because as I said, it helps to have that pH balance. So in that way, especially after face wash, if you can spritz it all over your face, all over your skin, in that way it is gonna make your skin much more hydrated and smooth and soft. So you can use it as a toner. Now what you can do is you can mix this apple cider vinegar to your face mask and your hair mask as well. My favorite face mask is with kasturi manjal. Always try to use kasturi manjal, not normal turmeric powder which you get in kitchen. It will give a burning sensation, but then this kasturi manjal is for your skin. Okay, so it doesn't burn much. So all we need to do is take kasturi manjal, add 1 spoon of apple cider vinegar, and then also put in water and mix it really well, and then apply it on your face. That's it. If you want, you can mix with other powders like multani mitti or green gram powder. Maybe what else we can use? Oats powder, yeah. So all these are something which does helps your skin to glow, helps your skin to clean. I mean, helps this. I mean, what am I even saying? Helps to clean your skin. So you can use any of these powder of your choice, whatever is available at your home, and then mix it with apple cider vinegar and water, or else you can replace this water with rose water or curd or milk. It's all up to you guys. And then just wash it off after 15 minutes. That's it. Now for nails, what we can do is just in a big bartan, a big vessel, take lots of water and a little bit of apple cider vinegar, mix it really well, and dip your hands in it for good 15 minutes. And what you can see is it makes your nails a little bit more healthier. Not just that, if there is any yellow stain in your nails, it is gonna remove that as well. Now you can use this apple cider vinegar for spot treatment. For this, you need not mix it with water. You can directly take this apple cider vinegar with a q-tip and then just apply it on your pimples. Since it is antibacterial, it kills the germs on the pimple, so it helps to heal that pimple faster. So make sure that you take only a little bit of the product, because we are not diluting apple cider vinegar here, so it is thick concentrated. It might irritate your skin if you take a lot of it. So if you have confusion regarding it, maybe you can dilute it a little bit, and this just apply it on your pimples, and you can definitely see a good result if you use it overnight for a couple of days, and you can definitely see a good result. So these are the ways I use apple cider vinegar for my skin, nail, and for my hair. I really hope you guys have found this video helpful. If so, all you need to do is please do give this video a big thumbs up, as well as subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. See you very soon in very next video. Till then, it's bye bye, take care, and love you all. Mwah. Bye.